In the beginning, before time was counted, before land took form, there existed only the vast unknown, a boundless ocean. Covered in silence, there was no land, and divine mystery, no life. From the unseen realms, waters, stretching beyond creation, was spoken, waiting for order, for balance, for purpose. From the supreme source, the command was given. The forces of creation were summoned, each with a sacred role, each with a divine purpose.
We descend from the unseen into the realm yet to be formed.
The waters call, the silence opens, and the path reveals itself.
We carry the essence of beginning, the mothers of alignment, the keepers of the sacred order.
The realms are many, 16 in all. None yet feel like home. We must find where life can thrive, where humans and animals can dwell safely. Look, that realm, the waters calm, the winds gentle. Perhaps this is the one Olódùmarè desires.
This is the foundation of the living realm. We walk the depths of existence, touching what has not yet been seen.
The unseen paths of existence. The three mothers of creation rose once more beyond the waters, carrying with them the knowledge of what had been revealed, a realm vast and silent, yet full of potential, a place where balance could be established, where life could emerge and thrive. They returned to the divine council to give account of their discovery, that within the depths of the unknown, a foundation had been found, ready for the work of creation.
Olódùmarè, we have returned from the realm of the living. We have seen realms of fire.
Yes, we found a realm of waters.
Òrúnmìlà, guardian of wisdom and witness of destiny, the Ajubaba have discovered the realm where life may dwell. Go to the great ocean, perform the sacred alignment, make the atonement rituals, prepare the waters for the birth of the world.
I'll go with wisdom, and the path shall be clear.
Òrúnmìlà, the custodian of wisdom, was called upon to descend into the unknown, to bring alignment, to restore balance, and to prepare the path for creation to unfold.
O you divinity of the ocean depth, hear me.
The wise one of the divine messenger, please, speak your purpose.
Olódùmarè, the master creator of all the curator, seek harmony of all divinities and the keepers of all the existed 16 realm. Your consent is important. Human realm called life shall dwell above you. I seek harmony.
If balance is kept, we accept.
The mothers of creation, you hold the keys of the living realm. I feel your presence.
Òrúnmìlà, we watch your journey.
The work is sacred, Esu send his greetings. All the feminine energy stand by you. Let balance guide you. It shall be done in truth.
After the sacred alignment of the primordial waters, Òrúnmìlà rose from the deep in quiet triumph. The ocean had received his ashe, and the unseen forces had accepted the covenant. The three Ajubaba, mothers of creation, appeared with ancient wisdom and divine affirmation. Through the passage of Eshu, the path between realms was opened and sealed. Olókun and Yemoja gave their sacred promise that the waters shall support creation, nurture life, and sustain the journey of humanity, so long as balance is honored and purity is preserved. With this covenant fulfilled, Òrúnmìlà journeyed back to the presence of Olódùmarè to give account and open the way for the birth of the earth.
Olódùmarè, the waters are ready, and the path is open.
Obàtálá, the purity divinity of creation, descend on the realm of the ocean, create the earth, take the mystical sand of creation, take the peaceful dove from my immortal throne. Bring balance. The divinities of the depth of ocean are expecting the new dawn. Waters are ready, and the path is open.
From the majestic presence of Olódùmarè, I descended through the luminous clouds of the cosmic heavens, carrying the divine sand entrusted to me. With each step upon the dark waters, I poured the sacred grains from the coconut shell, and the white dove, my companion of peace, spread them across the boundless ocean. Slowly, softly, the waters began to glow, parting and rising, forming lagoons, rivers, mountains, and plains. I moved with calm precision, guided by the Asi of purity, the wind of righteousness swirling gently around me, shaping the vast and balanced land. The rivers reflected the first light, and the mountains stood upright, majestic and eternal. Every corner of the land whispered harmony, awaiting the life that would come. The dove circled, scattering the remaining sand, leaving a shimmering path that marked the land of the living, Ilẹ Àwọn Alààyè. With the earth complete, I floated back through the clouds, ascending to the presence of Olódùmarè. Kneeling in reverence, I reported the fulfillment of my mandate. The waters aligned, the land established, mountains and rivers balanced, the first stage of creation fulfilled. And Olódùmarè, beyond form and beyond sight, received the account, the divine light reflecting in acknowledgement. The work of creation, pure and upright, completed by the Ase of heaven, awaited the next stage, the molding of humanity and the granting of destiny. And thus, I remained in humility and reverence. The land of the living laid before the world. A sacred home.
Obàtálá account was received, and the command was given. The land must be tested.
Take the gentle mystical chameleon, a gentle character of all the divinities, from all the 16 realms of the universe. Use Ase Esu, test the earth, and bring forth other living natures that will lives on earth with humans, for the benefits of humans. Make the earth habitable.
The spirit of nature guides us, and the world reveals its secrets.
Rise, O trees of the earth, awaken sacred herbs. by the authority of San Yin, the keeper of healing, let the suffering find relief. And this sacred palm shall bear its fruit, Ikin, the sacred palm nut, the carrier and the reminder of purpose and destiny. For every soul that shall walk the earth, the eternal witness of destiny.